Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest tips and tricks to make your digital life easier. Today, we're diving into something super relevant for 2025. How to stop Google Photos from automatically backing up your photos. Whether you're concerned about privacy, running low on cloud storage, or just want more control over your data, this quick guide has got you covered. Let's jump right in. First things first, why would you want to stop backups? Google Photos is great for storing memories, but it can eat up your data and storage space without you realizing it. Plus, with increasing privacy concerns in 2025, taking charge of your settings is smarter than ever. We'll cover the steps for both Android and iOS devices, as the process is pretty similar. Start by opening the Google Photos app on your device. Once you're in, tap on your profile icon in the top right corner. That's usually a circle with your initials or photo. From there, select Settings or Photo Settings, depending on your app version. Look for the Backup or Backup and Sync option. This is where the magic happens. Now, toggle the switch to turn off backup. You'll see a confirmation prompt. Go ahead and confirm it. That's it for the app. If you're using the web version on your computer, head to photos.google.com, sign in, and click on the Settings gear icon. Under General, find the backup settings and disable it there. Remember, this might vary slightly based on the 2025 updates, so keep an eye out for any new options. A quick tip. After turning off backups, check your device settings for any related permissions, like access to your camera or storage, and revoke them if you don't need them. This ensures no sneaky uploads happen in the background. And there you have it. You've successfully stopped Google Photos from backing up in 2025. If you follow these steps, you'll have more control over your photos. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.